Okay, welcome back friends. Now in this video we will try to make a cloth material which will fall on any object. Like whenever we fall cloth material on any object, it will take its shape. Okay, so it's very easy. Only 2-3 steps are there. So first of all, what we need a base floor. First thing, base floor. Second thing, we need a bed. And third thing, we need bed sheet, right? So I will be starting with creating a floor. I am into the perspective view and I have created a floor. You can give any dimension to this floor. Let's say 15 feet by 20 feet, a random size of 20 feet by 20 feet. It's up to you, whatever the dimension you want to give. Okay, this is a floor of size 20 feet by 20 feet. Yes, you can see. Now onto this floor, randomly I am making, let's say I will be making a bed box, right? Here the bed box is placed. Right now into 3D view I can show you. Okay, so let's give some general dimensions to the bed box. Length 6 feet, width 6 feet 6 inch. Okay, random dimensions, or you can give on the both side 6.5 feet and 6.5 feet, and height I am giving it 18 inches, right? A random dimension. So I am just telling you, I am just explaining you the command of cloth over here, how you'll be adding the cloth modifier. You can create this entire bed box of your own. Okay, in one of the video in my channel I have explained, like if you want to create a bed from a simple box, you can use the edit poly command for creation of that. But right now I am just making the things quite simple, like how to use cloth command. So this is my floor, this is my bed box, and third thing, I will be creating bed sheet. So bed sheet will be created using plane again. So let's say bed sheet size is something like this, right? So at any point you can place this bed sheet. Make sure it is little bit above, like right now I am in the front view. This is the front view. Okay, from any of the side view, make sure at least this much height, at this much height the bed sheet is there. Like there is no such specific height for this. At any height you can place it, something like this. For your reference, you can say from the floor you can take this sheet at 5 feet height or 6 feet height. It's up to you. Okay, when you will use this command by yourself, you will get this thing more clearly, like there is no specific reason for the height. So what I have told you, 3 things you have to make: floor, bed box, and the sheet, right? So over here, once you have created this thing, make sure for the sheet you, like we need uh, something smoother, right? For making something smoother we have to increase its segments, right? So let's say I am giving some 100 segments. You can zoom in and you can check, right? Enough segments are there, right? Only for cloth. Rest, one segment for floor, one segment for bed box, and this is for your bed sheet, right? Now the main thing, now just focus on to the next step, into this one. 3 things we are having, just give the names, different name to each of this floor. Okay, simple. 1 floor, second is bed box, right? third one is your 3 bed sheet. Just give the numberings also, like once I have clicked onto the floor, it's 1 floor, 2 bed, and 3 number given to the bed sheet. You can see these numbering. Where it will be helpful to you, I will let you know shortly. Now 3 things we have done. I hope till this point the steps are clear to all of you. Now select these all objects. Select these all objects, right? You have to select these all. Go to modifier. You can follow the cursor. Modifier, into the modifier list, cloth. Select this cloth command, right? Now into the cloth command you can see this first option, object properties. After going into the cloth command, go to the object properties. In this window it will ask you, this software will ask you which thing you need to be a collision object, which thing you need to be a falling object, right? Very simple. So whatever the things you have added into this one, into cloth command, those 3 things will be visible to you in this list. You can see. So starting from here, 1 floor, 2nd bed box. Okay, 1st floor, 2nd bed box. These 2 should be collision object. Follow the cursor, select floor and bed box by pressing Control key. Then select these as a collision, means the bed sheet will collide with this, right? Now click on OK, right? You can again go to the object property, select bed sheet and give it as a cloth over here, because bed sheet we want to create over here. And preset over here you can give as per you. Let's say I am Kashmir, I am giving this one as a cloth preset. Understood? So click on OK, right? Now you have to click on, first of all I will be making it a little bit closer. So just see, I am going to click on simulate, this one, simulate. You have to click on simulate. Now this is going to start. Just see. Okay, the speed of this will depend upon your processor. What is the version of your processor? i7, i5, which generation, RAM, graphic card, all the things are into working for making this thing faster. So I am okay for the bed sheet till this point, so I will be cancelling this one over here, right? So you can see it is little bit or quite closer to the cloth, but the thickness is not there, right? So for that you need to use another modifier, that is shell. First of all I am giving this shell. Now you can see the thickness is there to the cloth, and give it some value 0.3 inch, let's say a random value. You can give it as per your convenience, the thickness of the cloth or any sheet. So I have given that thickness, or you can give it 0.02. okay, so it will get affected by the value you will put over here. Now the last command you will be using over here is turbo smooth. Now you can see, make the iteration 3, it's enough. Now you can see it is little bit like a sheet, a thick sheet with some thickness, right? So you can see actually this turbo smooth has been applied to all the materials, but make sure the turbo smooth and the shell command is only applied to this sheet, but in this I have applied it to the entire scene, right? So you can see the thickness and the entire this material is something like cloth, right? So these are the steps for making a bed sheet, right? So if any doubt is there, or if you are facing some issue in your own practice, you can just put your doubt into the comment section. So I will be making something new with whatever the demand of the clients will be there. So thank you everyone. We will be soon coming up with a new video. Thank you.